I found the dirtiest white shoes in my house so we could compare white shoe cleaning methods and discover what's the best way to bring your white sneakers back to life. Always start by removing the laces and the insoles to clean them by hand separately. First up, Denture tablets. Tossing 1 to 2 in a bucket of warm water, I'm dunking my shoes in and letting them soak. Next, I'm using a small scrub brush to gently work the cleaning solution into all the stains and spills, and on the soles and even the bottoms of the shoes. I can see this was definitely removing the mud and dirt from all over these nasty shoes. They're actually looking pretty close back to white already. Let's let those soak a little longer and check back in. Next method, we'll be mixing baking soda and water to create a paste, or you can even use hydrogen peroxide. You can see the baking soda is a little harder to work with as it clumps up pretty quickly, so I had to keep wetting the shoes while making a huge mess. It did remove that nasty stain on the toe, but geez, it took a long time. But it worked wonders on the soles and the bottoms. One of my favorite methods is another dental one, toothpaste. I'm slathering on whitening toothpaste to an old toothbrush and scrubbing it. It's removing and lifting the stain that is months old. Plus, my shoes smell minty fresh. My one negative is while it's gentle on the fabric and powerful, it doesn't seem to be working on the soles and bottoms of the shoes. I then place each of these shoes into a delicate bag and toss them in the washing machine to rinse them. You could also rinse them in the shower or a hose. Once rinsed, remember to stuff them with newspaper and let them dry to reveal their full color. And the results are in. The baking soda removed majority of the stains and looks great to the naked eye. But upon a closer look, I do see some extremely minor stains on the fabric. Not that you'd be able to notice it when wearing them. The soles and sides cleaned up super well, but because of the amount of effort to clean with this method, I had to give it a 6 out of 10. The toothpaste did a pretty good job lightening up and removing almost all of the reddish brown stains that were on this fabric. However, it did not hold up to my standards on the soles, sides, or any hard material part of the shoe, making it overall look a little dingy, even if the cleaning process was easy. Giving this a 7 out of 10. The Denture tablets had the best overall clean with the least amount of scrubbing on the dirtiest shoe. For less work and best results, I give this one an overall 8 out of 10. Which method would you use? Drop a comment below to let us know and see the caption for a few other methods I tried. Like and follow for more cleaning and home tips.